Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Capsa. Today we will learn about type of antibody. In previous lecture, we have learned the structure of antibody, but today we will learn about what are types of antibody, what are their functions, etc. Okay, and this part is very much important on your exam, for your exam, competitive exam, or it can be entrance exam. Any kind of exam, MCQs comes from this part. Okay, so let's start it. Now, what are the types? Okay, actually, these are 5 types. Okay, and each type have distinct characteristics and its role. Okay, first one we will learn about the IgM type of antibody. So, this is actually kind of circulating antibody. Circulating means it is found in the blood and lymph, and it has pentameric structure which is formed by 5 Y-shaped basic molecule linked together to form the pentameric structure. Okay, so it's a kind of circulating antibody, have pentameric structure, and it actually produced by B cells and binds with the cell surface receptors which activates the cell signaling pathway. So produced by B cells, and you should keep in mind that it takes part in adaptive immune system. Okay, adaptive immune system. Now, how they act? They actually serve as the first line of host defense against infection. Okay, so serve as first line in host defense. Okay, now we will understand another antibiotic, that is second type of antibiotic, that is IgG. This antibody actually most abundant type of antibody. Why most abundant? What do you mean by abundant? Means in the total antibody, 70 to 75% is IgG type of antibody. Okay, so this is the most abundant. And it can transfer to the fetus through the placenta and protects the infant until its own immune system is activated or functioned. So, it can transfer from mother to fetus. Okay? And it actually have higher affinity for antigen. So, they have the power to neutralize toxins. Okay, now the next antibody is third one, that is IgA type. Okay, this type of antibody actually found in serum, nasal mucosa, breast milk, saliva, some amount in intestinal fluids, etc. So where they are found? In serum, nasal mucosa, breast milk, saliva, intestinal fluid, etc. Okay. They actually forms dimer structure. Okay. Their structure is dimer form. So it forms dimer. And it actually passes through breast milk to protect the neonates from GIT infections. Okay. So it can passes through breast milk. Now we will learn the fourth antibody, that is IgE type. This type of antibody actually present in the minute amount. Okay, and it is found on the mast cells, basophil cells, etc. Okay, so found in the mast cells, basophil cells, etc. Okay? And they invites in allergy or hypersensitivity reactions that induces the activation of mast cells. Okay, so they takes part in hypersensitivity reaction. How they takes part? They actually activate the mast cells. Okay. One tricky note you should keep in mind that if there is decreased level of vitamin D, obviously there will be increased level of IgE antibody. Why? Because vitamin D acts as immunomodulators. Clear? And the last one is IgD antibody. They actually found on the surface of B lymphocyte cells. So where they found? They found in the surface of B lymphocytes. And they takes part in the humoral immune system. Now, what they do? They actually act to enhance mucosal homeostasis and immune surveillance. So they enhance mucosal homeostasis. Okay, so this is the end of my lecture. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your patience.